Are you looking for the best drain cleaning machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drain cleaning machines that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Steel Dragon Tools K1500A Drain Cleaning Machine. With the Steel Dragon Tools K1500A Drain Cleaning Machine, you might as well hire yourself out as a local plumbing expert. This thing is about as professional grade as you can get, and the price definitely backs that up. The K1500A is designed for a one-person operation and will aggressively cut through heavy blockages down your line. The machine includes 120 feet of 1-1/4 inch all-purpose wound steel cable. Compare that to the other machines on our list that come with a 3/8 inch or, at the most, 1/2 inch line. You can then understand that this drain cleaning machine is miles away from anything else on our list. What that means is that this is a serious drain cleaning machine meant for your main line and not your kitchen sink. The cable is housed in a wire rack, great for cleaning when you're done. That rack sets up on its own when you're ready to work. Although it's powered by electricity, the motor is rated for 3/4 HP and 710 RPM and good to clean out pipe from 2 to 8 inches in diameter. The set comes with 6 vicious cutting heads, a rubber guide hose, and a pair of gloves. Because with a machine like this, you will definitely need gloves. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vevor 100 foot by 3/8 inch electric drain cleaning machine. There's always at least one foreign-made machine that no one has ever heard of on any of my product lists, so I give you the Vevor 100 foot by 3/8 inch electric drain cleaning machine. If you're renting a large electric snake on any sort of semi-regular basis, and you're looking to get the job done and save some money, this might be the machine for you. The price point is competitive with other drain cleaners on the list. While this machine is around $50 more than the TacLife, keep in mind that the TacLife offers just 75 feet of cable while the Vevor offers up 100. The motor is strong, the foot-activated power switch is good, and the cable is of decent quality. The Vevor also has a decent fan following on Amazon. The key to enjoy this drain cleaning machine is the management of your expectations. This tool has enough power to get through substantial clogs without issue as long as the operator takes things slowly. At number 3, we have the Ridgid K400AF Drain Cleaning Machine. For the toughest drain cleaning jobs, you're going to need a machine expressly designed to handle them. The Ridgid K400AF is that drain cleaning machine. The K400AF features an integrated cart with a retractable handle along with solid rubber wheels to transport the unit around the job site. The cable control system can easily handle blockages, while the tough, kink-resistant solid core cable will stand up to regular rugged use. This machine is professional grade, meant for drain cleaners, service plumbers, maintenance departments, and property management companies, but that doesn't mean the average homeowner couldn't own one if necessary. A torque limiter prevents the drum from turning when the blade gets lodged in some blockage down the line. Ridgid's patented auto-feed control pushes the cable into the drain. When reversed back into the drum, the cable travels at roughly 10 feet per minute. A pneumatic foot switch makes it so the operator doesn't have to bend down so much on the job as well. At number 2, we have the Shzond 1/2 inch 50 foot drain cleaning machine. Is this a Chinese knockoff product that you can find multiples of on Amazon? Yep. Does it do the job? Yep. We all know how many products exist for sale online that come from the other side of the ocean. But let's face it, outlets like Harbor Freight make a killing selling tools like this Shzond drain cleaning machine. Here's my take on this product. If you're looking for a drain cleaning machine to deal with tree roots once a year or so, this model will save you some money and perform a reasonably good job. Keep in mind that while this product includes a self-feeding controller, you're still going to need some good leather gloves. The Shzond comes with a pair of gloves, but they're terrible. Get the good ones and your hands will thank you later. Something else to keep in mind is that none of the attachments that come with the machine will take care of tree roots and sewer lines, which is probably why you're picking up a drain cleaning machine in the first place. The operations manual actually states not to use the included attachments to clear tree roots. Pick up something like this clog chopper that's the correct size for your pipes. The Shzond drain cleaning machine will handle jobs that a handheld auger could never tackle. If necessary, an extension cable may be added to increase the 50 feet that comes with the unit. If you're Joe or Jill homeowner with a slight amount of DIY know-how, this drain cleaner could really be of use to clear your lines from time to time. And finally at number 1, we have the Mophorn 100-foot by 3/8 inch drain cleaner machine. For its size and especially for its price, the Mophorn 100-foot by 3/8 inch drain cleaner machine is a great solution to clear blockages at home or even your workplace. It comes with 4 shapes of cutters to deal with all sorts of jams and debris with an intensified solid spring cable that can wind down a variety of pipe configurations. Mophorn offers up 3 different drain cutting machines with different lengths of 3/8 inch cable from 50 feet to this 100-foot model. Any of them are good to handle 3/4 inch to 4 inch diameter pipes and excellent to use with clogged toilets, sinks, floor drains, and more. The cable is housed within a drum that's open in order to clean the machine easily as well as know how much cable you have left and deal with kinking when it occurs. The drain cleaning machine offers a 1-switch direction change control knob in order to stretch the cable out or shrink it back in by hand. The pneumatic foot switch makes it simple to control the cable progression without having to bend down as much. The handle on the roll cage is foldable so you'll be able to save space in storage or get the machine in and out of tight spaces.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friends. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.